Hello, welcome to the Maths Academy. We have to solve the most interesting maths problem, that is square root of x under square root of x under square root of x under square root of x is equal to 5. And we have to find the value of x. So, solution. We have to write the question again. Square root of x under square root of x under square root of x under square root of x is equal to 5. To solve this interesting maths problem, we have to square both of the sides. So this side becomes square and to square this side. So left and right side both taking square. So here this 2 cancel with the square root. So this will become x times square root of this x under square root of this x under square root of this x is equal to 5 square. Now again we have to take square at both sides. So this side becomes square and this side becomes square. Now we know that this 2 mean square is also for x and for the square roots. So we can write this as this x square times this square root of x under square root of x under square root of x also square is equal to 5 square to the whole square. Here this will become x square times this 2 cancel with this square root. So x times under square root of this x under square root of this x is equal to 5 2 times 2, because a to the power of m to the whole power of n can be written as a to the power of m times n. So this will become 2 times 2. So again also we know that a to the power of m times a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So this will be, by applying this identity here, this will become x to the power of 2 plus 1 times square root of x under square root of x is equal to, here 5, 2 plus 2 is 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Now 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 times square root of x under square root of x is equal to 5 to the power of 4. Now again we have to square both of the side. This side becomes square and this side becomes square. As we discussed earlier, this square also for x and also for the square root. So this will become 3 times 2 x to the power of 3 times 2, and here this 2 and this square root cancel. So here x left under square root of this x is equal to 5 4 times 2. X to the power of 3 times 2 is equal to 6 times x under square root of x is equal to 5 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Now again we know that a to the power of m times a to the power of n can be written as a to the power of m plus n. So this will become x to the power of 6 plus 1 times square root of this x is equal to 5 to the power of 8. And again this will become x to the power of 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 times square root of x is equal to 5 to the power of 8. Now again we have to square both of the sides. This side becomes square and to take this side square, again we know that 7 times 2 is equal to 14. So x to the power of 14 times this 2 and this square root cancel. Here x left is equal to 5 8 times 2. Now again x to the power of 14 and this power is 1. So 14 plus 1 is equal to 5 to the power 8 times 2 is equal to 16. So x to the power of 14 plus 1 is equal to 15 is equal to 5 to the power of 16. Now we have to remove this, move this 15 to the, remove this 15 from this side. So we have to multiply both sides by 1 over 15. So this will become this side multiply by 1 over 15 and this side multiply by 1 over 15. Here this will become x to the power of 15 times 1 over 15 is equal to 5 to the power of 16 times 1 over 15. Here this 15 cancel with 15. Here only x left, and this will become x is equal to 16 times 1 is equal to 16 over 15. Here we write again x is equal to 5 to the power of 16 times 1 is equal to 16 over 15. And this is the final value of x, 5 to the power of 16 over 15. So this is the first method. Now we can also solve this by the second method. So let we solve this by the second method. Now we have to solve this by the second method. This we can write the question again. Square root of x under square root of x under square root of x under square root of x is equal to 5. We know that square root of a under square root of b under square root of c can be written as square root of a times double square root of b times triple square root of c times and so on. So we have to apply this condition here. This will become square root of x times double square root of x times triple square root of x times square root and square root of x times is equal to 5. Now we also know that square root of x is equal to x to the power of 1 over 2. So we have to replace the square root by 1 over 2. So this will become x to the power of 1 over 2 times x to the power of 1 over 2 times to the whole 1 over 2 times then x to the power of 1 over 2 to the whole power of 1 over 2 to the power of 1 over 2 times here this will become x to the power of 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, and for the fourth square root there is 1 over 2 is equal to 5. Now we know that x to the power of a to the whole power of b to the whole power of c to the whole power of d is equal to x to the power of a plus b plus c plus d. So to apply this condition here, this will become x to the power of 1 over 2 times x to the power of 1 over 2 1 over 2. So 1 over 2, sorry, per mistake, this is plus sign, not plus sign, but it is multiplication sign. So it is multiplication, mean x to the power of a to the whole power of b to the whole power of c to the whole power of d can be written as x to the power of a times b to the times c times d. So this is multiplication sign, this is not plus sign. So 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 times x to the power of 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 times x to the power of 4 times 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 times is equal to 5. Now we know that x to the power of 1 over 2 times x to the power of 1 over 4 times x to the power of 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 1 over 8 times x to the power of 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 1 over 16 is equal to 5. We also know that x to the power of a times x to the power of b times x to the power of c, etc. is equal to x to the power of a plus b plus c and so on, because it has same base. So this will become x to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 16 is equal to 5. Now we have to take LCM of the power of the denominator and then to plus them. So their LCM is 16 over 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. So this here is 8. 16 divided by 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to, so plus 4 plus sign. 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2, 2 times 1 is equal to 2, plus 16 divided by 16 is equal to 1, 1 times 1 is equal to 1, is equal to 5. Now x to the power of 8 plus 4 is equal to 12, 13, 14 and 15. 15 over 16 is equal to 5. Now we have to move this, so we have to multiply this by 16 over 15. So this side multiply by 16 over 15, and to also multiply this side by 16 over 50. So here this 15 cancel with this 16 cancel with this. Here x is equal to 5 to the power of 16 over 15, and this is also proved by the second method. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel.